Welcome back. Now let's discuss the solution to the second exercise. And here the problem statement is something like this, that we are given a bag having balls of different colors. Let's say there are 5 black balls, 3 white balls and 2 green balls. And after that, one ball is selected from the bag at random. We need to write a program that calculates the probability of different balls getting selected. So let's start. We have balls of 3 colors, let's say black, white and green, and we are given that black balls are 5, white balls are 3 and green are 2. For calculating the probability, first of all we need to calculate how many total number of balls are there in the bag. So for this I am having one variable total and just sum up all these 3 variables in this particular variable. Let's say total equal to black plus white plus green. So once we have calculated the total in this particular variable, now we can calculate the probability of black ball getting selected or white ball or green ball. Let's say the probability of black ball is denoted by this particular variable p black. So the formula is that number of black balls divided by total number of balls. So black by total. Similarly, the probability of white ball will be p white, which is white by total. And the probability of green ball will be equal to green divided by total. And after that we can simply print these 3 probabilities which we have calculated here. So I have added these 3 print statements. Now let's try to run this program. Before that, let's save it, say Ctrl S and then press this play button to run the program. And we can see that the probability of black ball is 0.5, probability of white ball is 0.3 and probability of green ball is 0.2. Total number of balls were 10, black balls were 5, so 5 divided by 10 is 0.5. That is why we see here probability of black ball is equal to 0.5. On the same lines, the probability of white ball is 0.3 and for green ball it is 0.2. Right? So with this, thank you for your time in this chapter. See you in the next one. Thank you.